what's the ICO flip way of making money of in 2021? Okay, so basically, how can you make money in 2021 that follows the similar process of 2017, where people were basically flipping ICOs like pancakes and making a killing? People know my story. I turned about 20 grand to 5 million from pretty much this approach. I would say the approach for 2021 is a multifaceted approach. One, I think you have to have those big coins, those large caps. You have to have Ethereum. Ethereum just did a 10x. I think maybe projects like even Polkadot, even though I don't own any, I think you have to have those large caps that are the next Bitcoin. So that's Ethereum, that's Polkadot. And then you also have to have some low cap coins. Now, all these projects are already on exchange. So you basically have large cap, mid cap, and some low cap. Or if you're more aggressive and conservative, maybe you have large cap and low cap with no mid cap. Basically, go big or go home. That's kind of been my approach. So basically, I'm heavy in Ethereum, but I do have low cap coins that I think can rally. They are more risky, but products like Helium Network, Matic Network, I do have P Network, which is the riskiest investment I have. But even that, it's not really much. I do have some synthetics, SNX. I have reserve rates. And I think that's basically, I also have Uniswap, and that's basically it. But then the other approach would also be yield farming, getting that APY. So whatever you have in your portfolio, so for example, I have ETH, I have all those other DeFi coins. I'm staking Matic Network. Yield farming SNX and part of liquidity pools. So all the investments you have in your portfolio, you want to double down on them by getting interest, getting yield from yield farming. So I think factored with that, because if you're yield farming a token and that token does a 10x, that's free money, right? So if the token you earn from yield farming does a 10x and the token you're yield farming as well also does a 10x, is that 100x? But basically, you want to make money as many ways as possible, right? So if you're holding this to Ethereum, you can stake Ethereum, you can lend Ethereum, you can yield farm Ethereum by providing ETH in a liquidity pool, right? So there's so many ways to make money, and I think those are the new ways to make money in 2021. You could even do private sales, but that's something I've not been doing, but I do know lots of people who have been kind of full degen and getting in private sales. But Bill, what's your take in terms of making money in 2021?
I think you're going to make money in 2021 with investing, right? In other words, 2017 was kind of like, wow, here we are. This new thing called crypto. And if you understood it before everyone else understood it, you made enormous returns. Now that everyone knows about crypto, the question is, what are the themes that are going to work, right? Like perp and synthetics and derivatives. So if you want to make 2017 money, you got to figure out what the theme is. What is the investing theme? Okay. And then go coins in that investing theme. So 2017, the theme was crypto. It was like the whole thing is here, right? In this case, it's going to require more homework. And also, remember, the bug is out there, strange, angry people are out there, and politics are out there. So there's stuff out there like 2017, stuff that's going to 10x, but you're going to have to do more homework. Ian had to do his homework in 2017, all right? And you got to do even more homework now. That doesn't mean it's harder. Hence, that's why we have token metrics. But if you do your work, you'll find the themes that then lead to the coins.
All right. Thank you, Bill. Okay, so if you enjoyed this live stream, please do us a favor, smash that like, destroy it, subscribe to the channel on YouTube, Token Metrics, put on alerts, and be sure to share this video with your crypto family and even your friends not in crypto, because not being in crypto is a financial crime. People are losing purchasing power every year. So imagine if you lose 15% of your money just by having it in cash, in fiat, in dollars every single year. In 5 years, you'll be broke. And imagine if other people are putting that money into crypto, into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, and getting a 5x, a 10x, a 100x. I mean, so literally by not doing anything, you are going broke and other people are becoming millionaires. So you definitely want to make sure that if you're on Crypto Noah's Ark, if you're on Token Metrics Ark in crypto, that you get your friends on board, because the stakes are getting bigger and bigger and bigger every single year. With that being said, Bill, what are your last words to our crypto family?
Well, friends, we appreciate your patience with any bugs on the Wi-Fi. We are here for you. We appreciate you listening to us. We appreciate your business out to our customers. In my opinion, the quicker you become a customer, the quicker you learn what we have, the quicker you will join what will be a legendary story of not only our growth, okay, but your personal development. That's right. Not just a whole bunch of money and a nice car, but your personal development can come from learning crypto and learning crypto using Token Metrics. So put you first and stay with us.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com. Disclaimer: Token Metrics Media LLC does not provide individually tailored investment advice and does not take a subscriber's or anyone's personal circumstance into consideration when discussing investments, nor is it registered as an investment advisor or broker-dealer in any jurisdiction. Information contained herein is not an offer or solicitation to buy, hold, or sell any security. The Token Metrics team has advised and invested in many blockchain companies. A complete list of their advisory roles and current holdings can be viewed here at tokenmetrics.com/disclosures.